Well, today's video is going to be very simple. We're here with the scrub by the Chevy. It's a 80, 79 model, somewhere. Now, it's 12 headlights. It's an old service truck, old fire truck. And I'm going to be showing you how to remove the glove box on one of these. Because I'm parting this out. I'm using a few parts myself on my C30. The one we put the LS in. And the rest of this I'm going to part out and put on my eBay store, description below. It's a pretty cool old truck, 45,000 original miles. These fire trucks don't get a lot of miles put on them, especially these antique you ones. Oh, listen to that. That's just quality. I got aftermarket doors on my C30 and they just don't close the same. You know? Now it ain't closing. Striker is probably rusted up. Let me just show you. See, it's coming loose. And these are brand new doors. These are door shells and they fit shit. Oh, I locked it. But anyway, if you just look at the quality and fitment, these is new LMC fenders too, LMC hood, LMC cow panel. This truck's built. This is a LMC magazine pretty much. What I'm saying is, if I ever come across the same front end as that one, I'll probably be flopping it. These doors, I'm not 100% if they will fit on the C30. I think it will. It's the 80s. I think the cab's the same. At least the dash looks the same. And I might keep these doors and we'll, you know, sand them down and clean them up and put them on the truck. Or I might just gut them. I don't know. What do you think? Comment below, because they pretty much rust free besides needing some patches here. Like that, so it would need to be patched. But they got a speaker cover can go over this. I don't know. I might keep the doors I got and just use the new grass channels and stuff, because the crappy ones I got, they just broke. And so my window, when you roll it down, is hard to get up and down. Back to the glove box, because I got sidetracked. How do we remove this? You need your key and unlock it if it's not already unlocked. This one is. You can see it's got some rust on the inside of it. You can see the condition and stuff of this old truck. It's pretty cool. All the accessories and stuff it had on it. Now let's go down here and undo these screws directly under the glove box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they 7mm on my truck. Yours could be different. People do change these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these loose. Just leave it latched. You should be able to take it out, no problem. See, told you people change them. That ain't a 7. That one ain't. So I need to take these 4 screws. That's every one seems to be a different size out. Found this on top of the dash. It's junk now. Oh yeah, I know what that is. That's the title. You see it? That though. Now it don't matter that that's the old school title, because this truck is junked. You know, set forever, and the fire department parked it and junked it out. Well, your man could get a rebuilt title. It's pretty simple here in Kentucky to get rebuilt titles for these old classic cars. But like I said, using it for parts. And that way you don't feel like we're storing a tool truck. Now that we got the 4 screws out of the bottom of this, that was none the same size, we're going to twist this and it should fall right out. Just like so. Now I'm going to have to wash this out just because. You know, because it's dirty and I can't sell it on eBay looking like that. Well, I can, you know, I do put in my description it may need some cleaning, but that's a little excessive, you know. Let's take a look inside here. That's an AC box. I just got done selling one of these from a C10 on the eBay store. I sold the front section to someone, I think in California, and the main section box here went to someone in Florida. So if you're watching, thank you for buying that. Hopefully it works out for your project. Looks like somebody's been here in this one before. I don't know why somebody would have been in here unless they had AC problems or something and they had it serviced. How's the ashtray come out of these? Do they come out? They have to come out, don't they? It's GM. GM makes everything most of the time able to come out of places. That's got a screw in it here. Well, no, that don't look factory. That's definitely not factory, that's a vent. Hopefully it's not broke. Don't look like it is. We know when we get the dash pad off. Oh, take a look at the mileage. Look at the pedals. Look at the shifter here. Looks pretty good. I don't know what this is. Something extra, I guess, came with the truck. Like them extra parts, don't you? Now the keys didn't work for this. You see half the cylinder, but I saved the steering column, I do believe. It's already into it though. So it should technically, you know, work still for someone if I need one to rebuild. What I'm trying to, oops, I dropped my ratchet butterfingers. What I'm saying is parts for these hard trucks is getting hard to find, and the ones that are mint is out of budget for most people. I personally know what's a mint steering column gonna cost? A lot. What's a rebuildable one gonna cost? Not as much. I'm more the it's functional, it looks nice type of guy. I don't have to be the type of guy who's just perfect. Is somebody in the background though? Oh, I'm just vehicles. I'm just some of the shop vehicles. Thought I seen someone walking. What other how-to videos would you like to see on this old scrub body Chevy? Like I said, I am parting it out, and I will be trying to document the whole process. Oh, so hopefully you found it helpful. Sun's in my eyes. Good thing I ain't a vampire. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is the C30, by the way, if you're new. Get subscribed. It's got an LS in it, built 6.0. There's a playlist on my channel, Scrub Body Chevys. You got the full build and everything on this. And if you need to know anything about LS engines, I got a playlist. I got a lot of playlists. I do. So thanks for watching. Check out the eBay store. Get subscribed. Hit that notification bell. I'm always uploading content, so I'm very active. So tune in, and as I said, see you next time. I say a lot. Need a t-shirt.